Fact 6. Harpy eagles have impressive talons, with the largest talon being similar in size to the claw of a grizzly bear. Fact 7. They are apex predators, feeding primarily on tree-dwelling mammals such as sloths and monkeys. Fact 8. Harpy eagles are known for their incredible speed and agility, allowing them to navigate through dense forests while hunting. Fact 9. They often snatch their prey directly from the trees using their powerful talons. Fact 10. Harpy eagles build large nests, often measuring up to 5 feet, 1.5 meters, in diameter, in the tallest trees. Hey animal lovers! Please subscribe, hit the like button and smash that notification bell icon for more videos like this.